What's up guys, me Luke's Sunday Dude here, got another CX Beyblade. But today we got from Takara Tomy. This is a new Pegasus Blast. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Here we got the character. And this Beyblade is actually special because the ratchet and the bit is all in together. And it actually retract. Just like how, if you know Metal Fight, Big Bang Pegasus, or Cosmic Pegasus, it would retract and then have a speed boost at the end. Only difference is that this one is a Gear Excel kind of thing, but there's no rubber. I thought this was pretty cool, so that's why I was like, oh man, I gotta pick this one up. But here we got the chip or lock, the layer itself, and then the assist blade. We also got the launcher that's included. It's like this emerald green color and a white ripcord. Also comes with a tool to take out the chip at the top. Alright, let's unbox it. This box, I really like it. It's really nice. The white and the red looks, white and the pink looks crazy. Let's take a look what we get in the box. Oh, the green is totally different from what the box is, for the launcher at least. It's gonna be sad to see this color chip off. One-string batteries. There's a lot of packaging in this. Alright, after taking all the parts out, here's what you get in the set. So you get a launcher in this green kind of emerald color. And the picture on the box, it looks a little bit more metallic, but once you take it out, it's more like a pale pastel kind of green. Here's a ripcord, the long one, and weight, a little bit longer than your standard ripcord launcher. Let's take a look at the, oh, it comes with this tool to get rid of the lock. So you stab it into here and just twist it. Let's take a look at every part. Here's the lock chip, or whatever it's called. It's in this neon yellow greenish. The avatar Pegasus has like blue hair. Looks kind of emo, like a rock star. Pretty cool. Take a look at the blade. It's got some little details, red and yellow. And it's a three-winged design. Man, this paint is shiny. I like this paint. But it's gonna get ruined once I start playing with it. But this is a nice emerald green. Metallic emerald green. Taking a look at the auxiliary blade. Assault, I believe. Just has 3 jagged corners that lines up pretty well with the layer itself. It's pretty smooth actually. Not too bad. Now let's take a look at the driver, or the bit and ratchet. It's combined in one. This thing is chonky. Basically, when you launch it super hard, the little tip comes out. Once it loses spin, it will retract and hit a flat assault, kind of geared assault, and it'll go crazy around the stadium. Basically how Big Bang Pegasus is. When you launch it super hard, this tip comes out and then it retracts, revealing like a flat rubber tech kind of surface area. But let's put this Beyblade together. This thing is thick. Alright, moving on to test spinning and some test battles. Alright, now we got the Pegasus Blast. We're gonna do a test spin. Man, this thing is huge. There it is. There's activation. It's kind of, man, once it loses spin, it's super wobbly. Alright, let's do some test battles now. Lose my paint, my precious paint. So far, oh, there's paint, there's damage already. Oh, there goes my paint. Eventually, I think I will get another one for collector's purposes. We'll see. My paint. Dang, this thing hits hard though. that's the end of the battles. Let's take a look at the paint scars. Ooh! Man. Oh, all the paint's gone. Well, I guess I can use it for battles. I might buy one for collecting. But man, once this driver runs out of stamina, it starts wobbling really bad. So I think it's best to change out the combo, put like a hex up it or something, or rush to have more stamina. But man, this thing is, once it starts losing spin, it starts to wobble and topple over. Not very good for stamina. Anyways, that concludes today's unboxing. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.